I think what's really key is listening to what could make them engage more. We were just talking about it in the workshops as well. I think listening is a big part that's still missing in science engagement. Like, what do people care about, and how can we use that to engage them in science? We came up with it because we had bad experiences with science education in our secondary schools, and because we noticed that a lot of underprivileged groups and schools in poorer communities were lacking a lot of exposure to scientific topics in a way that really spoke to them. I think that everybody is really interested in science if you just frame it right, and I think we have a responsibility to do that. I think we expected that we would get more money, but there's just no money in education, which is really difficult. What I didn't expect was when I started, I was really interested in the subject, but it really turned into a passion, and it takes up most of my time at this moment. The first thing I think is that everybody is unique, so whoever you're trying to engage, really take their lives and their positions into consideration when you're trying to talk to them, and also make sure that you talk on the same level. Everybody is equal. Sometimes I miss that. Second is, don't expect to become a millionaire out of this. And third is, if that is your goal, then you're doing it for the wrong reasons.